Mama Jones, Papa Jones, they the head ass gang. You gotta like and subscribe, and you gon' watch us, man. Go Mama Jones, go Papa Jones, and we ain't watching nothing else, cause this who channel we on.
What up, Mama Jones squad? Welcome to the shenanigans, you guys. And I'm here introducing this food warming mat, you guys. It's a food warming mat, and it's a extra large. So let's open it up. Okay, it comes in the nice little baggie. Let's open it on up. Okay, we have the power cord. And the power cord, let's check it out. Whoa, look at here. Check it out, you guys. This is a 35-inch by 16-inch heating pad, you guys. It heats up in 10 seconds. It heats fully in 10 seconds, you guys. It has 19 adjustable settings, you guys. It has a built-in 6-hour timer and a child lock. Do you hear me? And a child lock, you guys. And it's made with silicone material. It's easy, flexible, durable. You can roll it up and store it back. So, with that being said, let's see what all this can hold. I have a set of pots sitting here that I'm going to see just how much this mat can hold, you guys. So we have a little skillet. And this is perfect for the holidays, you guys. Y'all need to get y'all's today. I will put a link in the description, you guys, for getting this, because it will come in handy for the holidays. As y'all see, I just put a set of pots on this mat. So yeah, just basically you cooking for the holidays. This mat should hold at least 3 pans. 3 large pans, I would say it will hold. And it heats fully in 10 seconds, you guys. Let's go over this again. This is a heating mat. It heats in 10 seconds. It's 35 inches by 16 inches, you guys. It heats fully, again, 10 seconds. It only takes 10 seconds to heat this up. It has 19 adjustable settings, you guys. So you can set the temperature 19 different settings. It also has a built-in 6-hour timer and a child lock. You can't go wrong with the child lock, you guys. And it's made with silicone material. It's easy fold to roll up, you guys. And as you will plug it in and plug it up. Go ahead, hit that link in that description and get yours today. And it's fast shipping. I got it in 1 day. So Thanksgiving coming up. Y'all need to get this. Don't nobody want to run to no microwave and heat up their food. And it'll already stay warm. Go on, get it. Better cut that timer down trying to use that microwave. Get yours today. Cause I done fell in love with this. Hey, get y'all's. Give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And hit that link in the description below and get yours today.
Head ass gang, 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 on that head ass gang. Peanut butter head ass, biscuit head ass, sausage head